Good morning, students. Let's start a new lesson in General Science, Lesson 13, Interdependence in Our Environment. Children, we see that there are living and non-living things around us. Plants and animals are living things. Air, water, soil, and sunshine are non-living things. We depend on both living and non-living things in many ways. All other living things also depend on non living things as well as other living things. Living things depend on each other for their survival. Apart from this, they also depend on the non living things. Different living beings have different roles in this environment. Based on the eating habits, all the living things can be divided in the following categories. Number one, producers. That means the living organisms that produce their own food. For example, the green plants. Next comes the consumers. Those living organisms that cannot make their own food. Consumers are further categorized as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now let us study about the herbivores. Plant-eating animals are known as herbivores. Example, cow, buffalo. Next comes the carnivores, animals that feed only on other animals. Example, lion, tiger. And the next category is the omnivores. Some animals feed both on plants and animals. Those animals are known as omnivores. Bears, crow, human beings are examples of omnivores. But children, there are some animals which feed only on dead plants and animals. Those animals are known as scavengers. These scavengers play a very important role in keeping the environment clean by consuming dead plants and animals. Vultures, termites are the examples of scavengers. And the next type is the decomposers. Some microorganisms break down the leftover food of scavengers, that is, decaying part, and thus release nutrients in the soil. This process of breaking down of the decaying matter to release nutrients is called decomposition, and the microorganisms which do so are called decomposers. Examples of decomposers are bacteria and fungi. The nutrients gets released and mixed in the soil. Therefore, decomposers play a very important role in the environment. So children, today's explanation part is over. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely. Thank you.